YouTube. All right, man, what is up? So let's see if I can brighten this up a little bit. Yeah, but man, what is up? So back again. Dang. Actually, man, y'all seen the title. I'm going to a car meet right now. It's crazy. Wait a minute. Somebody trying to race or what? That's a little 370s. Yeah, I smoked one of those before. I don't know if it was stock or not. I was on the freeway. It wasn't right now. It was a long back. This 370Z kept like revving. I don't know if it was a 370 or 350. That was one. Oh, what's this? Oh, that ain't nothing. But anyway, that's besides the point. I'm at this car meet right now, and I'm actually super surprised that it's a line for it right now. I'm pretty sure this is the line though. I don't know how. Dang, my car looks dirty. I'm on the big camera, so I don't know if I can tell the difference in quality and the mic, anything like that. Yeah, man, I'm at this car meet right now. It should be pretty fun. It said it started like at 6. Oh, if you know, it's a Mondays Don't Suck car meet. I've been to it before, and it was a nice car meet. You know, it was a lot of cool cars there. A lot of cars just in general there, so that was super fire too. But that was like a long time ago. I'll put the link in the description of that video. It was probably like, I don't even know, man, like, oh, what's that, a little scatty patty? But yeah, it's a line right now. Oh, it's the SS over there. Let's see what it sounds like. A little 5.0. I'll try to show you over there. Oh, it's the police over there too. Police. Man, somebody shooting or what? Their pops sound weak. Damn. Oh, we made it to the car meet. Well, I made it to the car meet. Yeah, always hella cars up here. Look. I thought, look at all these cars, dude. Well, these are kind of like normal cars, blah. Wait a minute. All the ruckus is that way. Oh, it's a Daytona right there. It's a 392, I think. I don't know why they take off the 392 right there. That's kind of weird. Not the Hellcat wide body Daytona though. Yeah, let me show you what this meat's looking like. Mustang here. What does that say? It's a 300 with the doors on it. What the fuck? This is a Chevy SS. This thing is cool, dude. I think the brake calipers are like reflective. Oh, is this the gt500? Oh shit. Somebody brought a gt500 up here. Dang. All right, here you got two, not one, but it looks like two gt500s, dude. What the? This thing is bad. It's the green one here, and also a red one. I think that's stupid fire, man. My car was loud. This is like on a different level loud, dude. Yo, they finna blow something. Yo, these people are crazy, dude. I hope my mic still works. Where his exhaust? Let's go see what else they got on and popping over here, you guys. Man, there's a bunch of cars though, like a lot of cars. What you been up to?
Chilling, bro. You?
Oh, this was way better than the other one.
Yeah, everybody's going crazy. Well, NBA is different to get shut down for 3 more months.
And then hotboxing the earth.
Hell yeah. Backing up the whole time.
How you doing? Hey, reverse means race mode. The R means race mode. Put it in R.
Oh my fucking god. Yeah. You feel the earth?
Alright, let's go see what else they got. I'm not trying to clickbait on this one. Yeah, not trying to clickbait or nothing, dude. But guess, like, just take a rough estimate on like how many cars here, cause there's like so many cars here. I'm gonna try to show you. It's like it's really a whole lot of cars here. I hope my mic still works, man, because it's like they were making a lot of noise. This thing is bad to the bone, dude. That thing's pretty cool. Let me show you the front of it real quick. I'm gonna go walk around some more and like see what other cars they have, because it's like a lot of cars. That's 909. So it looks like a lot of people. It looks like kind of a lot of people are leaving already. But like it's still like a lot of people here too. It sucks because I have to park like way over there. But it's not like too far either. Shout out to Careless. Yeah, see you on the vlog.
Valuable lesson, man. I had to grow up. That's why I never asked for
I'll just send you a link later.
Cool, man. Appreciate it.
I might see you, bro. How they do this? That's what I want to know. That's crazy. This thing is cool, dude. Another SS. You got Borla. I got the same exhaust. Another one there. That's a badass car, bro.
Appreciate it, bro.
Hell yeah. Bro, I got Borla exhaust too.
Borla exhaust,
Yeah, I got an SS, a red one.
I had to make it sound good, bro.
Yeah.
You got a V8, gotta go with the best
Got
exhaust.
to, right?
Yeah.
Corsa's cool, but Corsa's kind of like raspy.
No, everybody,
deep
everybody tell me about Corsa, but they're like, they should put the Corsa exhaust in. I'm like, Borla, I don't know, bro. It's like, it just sounds better to me. It sounds like more muscle.
Corsa too.
Yeah, everybody has Corsa.
Bro, I ran into a Corsa like at a red light. It had like headers, full bolts on everything. He revved it. It kind of sounded like a V6.
Yeah.
Like real raspy and like.
Yeah.
It wasn't a nice tone to it at all.
Exactly.
Yeah, I think the meat's pretty much done, so they're just like wrapping everything up at this point. But it's still cool just to see like what else they have over here and stuff. Yeah, I hope y'all like these car meet videos because they're stupid fire. Just in case if y'all don't have like car meets wherever y'all from, y'all could live like somewhere where there's just not a big car community. You know, Texas, Dallas, you know, it's a pretty, it's kind of empty over here, but it's like packed if you want to. I don't even want to count the cars just because it's that many. Well, people are already leaving already, but still, it's nice, dude. It's super cool. I don't know who, but somebody brought the gt500. Damn. What? Jeez, that's fire, dude. Yeah, they feel deep with something, bro. 500. How's it feel?
It's $1 million right here.
Shit.
The Audi bitch, NDC performance right here.
Oh, for real?
Yeah. That's me and you, bro. Shine, bro.
Shine, I'm proud. Oh, first subscriber? For real? You gonna be in the vlog? Or no? Nah. That's cool. Oh, shit. I'm gonna get these gt500s out. I think that may be it for this video. They're kind of saying the car meet's over already. What's up? The camera.
Bro, fuck 12, bro. You ain't still
Hey, you messing with the movie? You got a Hellcat though.
Nah, bro, it's a new car.
My homeboy was in the Mustang behind me.
But yeah, man, I think that's gonna be it for this video, man. There's really not too much else to say or to do. Let me give y'all one last look of all the cars. So like, all this over there was packed full. All that was full. All that was full. And then all this was full too right here. Like all that. Big boy 01. Let me start on my car. You hear those cars up there, but they don't got. Mine still sounds super cool though. Let's start this thing up. Oh! Yeah, that's crazy. Yeah, my car sounds really loud actually, dude. Dang, y'all let me know how that startup sounded like. It's crazy because I was only here for like 30 minutes, man, and then what time did I get here? It's 9:30. I think I got here like 40 minutes ago. I just kind of walked around, but it looked like the car meet's gonna be over. I thought those cars were loud, but I cut mine on. Mine is pretty, it's really loud actually. Yeah, man, I think I'm gonna just call it a day, man. Hopefully you enjoy this video. If you, or should I go back? I kind of want to go back and get some more footage. Yeah, we're gonna go back. Let's cut the car off. Yeah, I didn't drive 30 minutes just to get 30 minutes of footage, right? Y'all see how low this truck is? Damn. Oh, this sucker's low. I think, yeah, this truck's way lower than my car. Damn. Look. Fucking low. I'm chopping. Yeah, this car is cam. That thing sounds crazy. He helped me out a lot with my car. Dang. But yeah, he helped me out a lot on my car. I met him at a car meet. I shouldn't show up. That thing sounds crazy. My car sounds crazy. It's a nice idle. Not too loud, but it's a nice. My car's not too loud, but it's like a nice deep idle. It sounds good. I like it a lot, man. Bam, bam, bam. But yeah, man. Hopefully you enjoyed this video, man. If you did, leave it a fat like. Stay tuned. Hella new content dropping soon. All that good stuff, man. So I'll see you on the next video. So yeah.